Good afternoon, this is Mike with Compass Heating and Air, East Dundee, Illinois. Just come back and doing a startup on a unit that we installed midweek last week. This is a Daikin modulating furnace. We installed the Daikin FIT, came out last year, side discharge unit. You see the coils are a little different. We got electronic expansion valves on the coil. And they're very nice. This guy's running right now in air conditioning, so they're pretty quiet units. I'm gonna head outside real quick and get a picture of, or a video rather, of what the units outside look like and sound like. Going out here through the basement. Booties here. Alright, so here we are. So this is an older style house. Just gonna catch a glimpse of kind of house we put this in. He had some issues upstairs with airflow and that sort, but seems to be, at least on the heating side, they report that it's drastically improved. Here is our outdoor unit. It's the Daikin FIT, like I was mentioning before. So they're pretty narrow. Their side discharge. This one here gets 18 SEER. It has an inverter compressor, so it'll cycle up and down. Great for dehumidification as well as nice even cooling in the home. And you're not going to get much longer than what it is right here. Nice quiet unit. They're 13 inches front to back, which is very nice for areas with a small installation space. You know, whether you have a area close to a sidewalk, you're under a deck. You know, you have limited space with a small patio on townhomes or condos. So there's a lot of uses for this guy, and it's going to be a very popular unit this year for sure. This is the Daikin FIT. Mike with Compass Heating and Air. Have a great day.